I heard that the internet likes fresh content, so I've got some fresh content for the internet. I just finished Brigitte's rocket flail from Overwatch.
This force is called voltage. Now watch what happens as soon as I turn the switch on.
And here it is in all of its 3D printed glory. Like all of my projects, it started off as a 3D model, which meant I sat at my computer for hours and screwed around until it looked right. Here's what that looks like. Alright, so what about the flail part of the rocket flail? Well, I had considered putting a chain in, but there's not physically enough volume for where it's supposed to exist. I don't know, maybe it's nanomachines in the game, who knows? This really is a complicated object for what is ultimately a blunt force weapon.
And there it is, Brigitte's rocket flail. Oh, electrically, it still needs a lot of work to get the mechanism going, and I would definitely need to redesign that. But I think it looks the part, which is, 90% of any prop. So, like all my projects, you can always download the 3D files for free in the description below. Also, there's a link if you want to leave me, some cash for a coffee, because these things are expensive. And I would like to keep designing and giving away those designs to you for free. Alright, that's it for now. Be sure to subscribe. See you next time.